Hey, hi everybody. Let me show you how to get to these interim block assessments. First, you get to this website up here, this OSGI thing, and then you go to test administrators, test administration, and you got to log in. Sorry, I'm a slow typer. Now I'm logging in. Oh, geez, I put my wrong password in. Yeah, I got it right that time. Oh, and then I got this silly pop-up blocker, so I click on that, and then I say allow it and done and all that stuff, and then I hit reload. Okay, now I'm good. It brings up these assessments, and it says interim assessments. I hit the plus here. I want these interim block assessments. I'm really interested in this English language arts, the CAT. So look, and I got all these assessments here I can set up. We look at our iReady data and we decide, oh, we want to really talk, we really want to focus on language and vocabulary. So I go language and vocabulary, I hit OK, and then I hit start session. And it gives me this little number thing right over here, and then I should be good to go because then I assign that for the kids, and the kids sign up, and then they can take this test using this session ID. Pretty simple, really.